Ayy, ayy, ayy. Yeah, listen to me carefully. These hips are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is rare to me, your man pull out my chair for me. He wanna marry me, my haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking boss, so it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Floated, make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous.
What was the reason? What was the reason? Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I know, I am gagged myself too. Y'all, I know, y'all must not believe it, but I have a wet ass. I bring my every year to Halloween. But you can't. I am giving you Cardi be featuring the iconic WAP wet ass pussy look from her latest music video. Period. Ooh, this is just too much for me. I am giving you literal my is wet. I cannot believe it. My waist is cinched to the gods. I just wanted to bring you guys glamour. This year has been hard for us. It's been crazy. And I thought, why not kick off October as we are approaching 2021 because of coronavirus? Shit's getting real. I can't stand this shit, but here we are, PatrickStarrr spreading all the glamour, negativity. Just escape onto my channel as I teach you glamour. We are gonna teach you full bleak glamour. Guys, let me pose for y'all. Hold on. We are serving you guys titties, hair, bangs, face, eyelashes, liner, one size beauty, overline lips, full coverage fantasy here for you, and I am freaking here for it. I love makeup, and I'm so excited. October is my favorite month just to show you guys all the fantasy. I love you guys so much. Shout out to Erica LaPearl for inspiring the kids with this look. It's just so sickening. Just get into the makeup, and don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all, and bitch, don't you mother forget to subscribe. All right, guys, I am so excited for this look. I had just snatched my brows. I got a new Precisely Benefit brow pencil, and look, they had discontinued the actual spoolie on the end, RIP. I literally just got it today, and I'm so sad because this is what it looked like before with the old little spoolie, and now I guess they're trying to save money or whatever the reason being, but it just looks so different without the spoolie.
Wait, it's a mini? Here I am roasting Benefit. I can't afford another read from the internet.
So I used the shade number 4, and I concealed and snatched my brows with the Eyeliner TV paint stick in the color FS29. So next I'm gonna color correct my face with the Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion. I do believe that she changed the name. The damn color corrector, the orange one, I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just conceal right here. I still get hair and discoloration. This is a brand new one. I know she launched 2 other colors, but if you're a man or if you have hyperpigmentation, be sure to color correct. And do what your heart desires. I like to set my color corrector with some powder, just that way it doesn't blend in with my foundation, but do what you want. And I'm going to set that with the Rose Petal Ben Nye Loose Setting Powder and set my color corrector and also set that Fenty primer with the pores. Guys, I'm going in with a full tutorial today so you guys can be fully painted for the back row, darling. I just want to say I'm so excited for Halloween. Desi Perkins just did a throwback from 6 years ago where her, Crispy, Alex Faction, and I did the Wizard of Oz for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Halloween party. And oh my god, I can't believe that I've known Desi for so long, and also Alex and Crispy. Our life is just so different where she's a mom and I have a brand, and everyone's just doing their damn thing. It's just so crazy. Now this is how I like to prep my skin for the heavy cake bake stuff. So let's go into foundation. All right guys, now since it is October and we are doing a full drag-esque Cardi B look, what better than to go full coverage, and what better is full coverage than the Eyeliner TV paint stick. I know this is very hard to find. That's what frustrates me a little bit about this. The color names are a little bit weird and it's really hard to find. You have to get it online. It's very hard to find it in a store near you. But the color that I personally use is FS27, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take this and just mark it all over my face. And this color to me is very equivalent to an NC45. And don't be shy to cake your face, darling. We live for the glamour. Look how full coverage this is. Y'all see my mole? gone. Now what I am showing you guys today is something very full coverage for those that sweat a lot, because you know I might be having my breastplate, I'm a sweat, and I want to make sure I'm teaching y'all stuff that is sweat proof, oil proof. But if you are more so dry, like use products and techniques that cater to you. If you have more dry skin and prep differently, because everyone's different. This is where you can snatch your face. Cream full coverage concealers. As you can see, I prefer heavy duty creams like Kryolan and MAC. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW25. And as you can see, as I'm just going, it's not mixing in with the orange color corrector because I set it. Just be careful when you're pulling and tugging your eye, because that's not what we want. That's not the tea. So just pat and layer as needed. And this will literally snatch your face. All right, y'all, if it's one thing I know about Cardi B and Erica LaPearl, her makeup artist, it is that she is always painted and beat. And just make sure that you guys blend until your heart's content. And that way everything looks seamless, because, you know, Cardi's always on camera, especially in the music videos. She's always looking snatched, so make sure you blend away. That way everything looks so seamless. All right, so next I like to take a liquid concealer and brighten the face. So I'm gonna take the Joseph Colors Meet Your Hue concealer in the color 17 medium tan. And this concealer is literally perfection. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use this just to kind of like kick it up a notch. I love to use cream for like durability, and then the liquid to kind of like just boost the face a little more bright, just for under the eye and the high points of the face. And when I tell you it is such a rare occasion, because normally I would set my face right now, but it is a rare occasion that I cream contour. But when I wanna go all out, like, you know, and I have the time, I'll cream contour. But today I have the time, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Kryolan TV paint stick in the color NG2. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sketch out a little bit of my contours right here. Then when I tell you, if y'all have a little bit of extra love down here that God blessed you with, this is something that will bless you even more, this contour right here. Amen. This is such a very Roxy Andrews trick right here, girl. Sorry to be spooking your tea, but we gotta just share with the children how you got this glamour. I remember just watching Roxy Andrews growing up. I act like she's a dinosaur. I'm so sorry, Roxy Andrews, but she be going in around here, and I quickly learned from one fiercely real queen to another. That's how you look snatched, bitch. If there's one thing you're gonna learn today in my videos, everyone, it's to not be afraid of the glamour. Okay, go in, it's gonna feel crazy, it's gonna look crazy, it always does. But just practice and you'll find what works for you. All right, guys, now it's time to set the face. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and take this powder and just stamp the eyes first, because it's the first thing to get wrinkly. My nose is looking pinched, bitch. Also, Halloween tip or drag tip 101. This, to me, personally, is the first thing to show your oils and your greases, because it collects right here in the crevices. So make sure you take your sponge and really press a lot of powder right here so you don't sweat. You know, when drag queens kick and flip, that's the first thing that they pat as soon as they're done performing, sweating like crazy. Angelica Sanchez. All right, guys, and don't forget to set your face. Beat that bitch. And don't be afraid. And now it is time for eyeshadow, and we are using the Visionary One Size palette. All right, guys, so I zoomed you guys in. I'm gonna go ahead and take Booked and Soft Serve and literally use this as the base of the GLAM. This literally are my two besties when it comes to like starting my glam, and it really defines the shape. And for this one, because we pinched the nose so much and I want to go a little bit more drag, go ahead and focus right here and kind of blend this to the top part of the nose contour. And because Cardi loves her wing, go ahead and blend it up and out. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M456 brush. Be sure to use the discount code PSTARRR to save on your Halloween trick-or-treating this year. And I'm going to go ahead and take Brownie, and I'm going to go ahead and literally define the crease. This is where the drama begins upward. Make sure to find your crease and go a little bit above and past it's kind of like make a new outer crease and just go up. It's gonna feel like it's higher than usual and just go up. And be sure to go back into Book this red color and just make sure you blend it so there's that still warm color, because the visuals and the look is very warm. There's a little bit of gold in the outfit. So I wanna make sure we still incorporate that tone. And I love this brush. This is the Morphe R40 brush. All right guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and take this eye popper by One Size Booty, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this and cut the crease in the eye. And this is such a beautiful rose gold color because Cardi's makeup is a little bit more rose gold. This is so easy to do. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, that is it. All right guys, this is the eye. We're pretty much done. It's very WAP, pulled out, very cute, very Cardi, Erica LaPro, but it wouldn't be a completed look without the signature pulled out, pulled up Cardi B eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and take the One Size Beauty 24-hour super black point made liquid eyeliner and snatch this on. Look at this eyeliner, y'all. I am digging this work. Even though I'm gonna wear false lashes, I still love to curl my lashes. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Lash Curler. And I love this mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes. It's a beautiful brush. This brush is so unique. I love it. And it literally, just even on my natural glam days, no lashes, it gets the job done and it really separates the lashes as well. All right, guys, make sure you push up your lashes right here. And from here on out, it's gonna be real fast. The eyes is just the most important part. And I'd like to revisit my lower lash line once I finish my face. That's just a preference. I've been doing that for years, so bear with me. We'll finish the eyes a little bit later. Okay, y'all know I love my full coverage, okay, because that's what we like. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Studio Fix powder NC45 and start to dust off the bake. This is literally my favorite part because my skin just starts to come to life through the full coverage. And the brush that I love to use for this is the E1 brush because it's soft and it's compact. And it literally just like gets in the crevices of your skin and dusts everything away. Y'all see this nose contour? I did not contour, but it's still pinched from the cream contour and highlighting that I did earlier. So just know that the cream is a little bit more of an advanced skill, but it's very much important. So practice, practice, practice. All right, so next I'm gonna take NW25 Studio Fix powder and I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp this under the, oh, look at this brightness, y'all. This is very excessive, but I know I got my excessive girls out there. This is for you. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep and literally go to town. This is where you want to shape your face and go in. And if you are wearing a wig, down or up, just go in with the contour because sometimes it doesn't really show through, especially if your hair is down. But just to add some contrast and light, go ahead and just go in and sculpt that face. Guys, I've been trying to get my fitness on so I can kind of see my cheekbones more. And the way that contouring works for me is that you want to make sure that you're contouring everything. So from the nose to the cheeks, the chin, even, you know, this contour in the eye. Like contouring looks right when it's done pretty much everywhere, so there's a sense of harmony when it comes to your face. You don't want to just do it in one spot of your face. All right, guys, so next for the nose, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Milani Suntan Bronzer right here, and this is my favorite brush, the E62. If you want to snatch your nose this Halloween season, take my discount code PSTARRR and get the E62 brush. This is literally a must. I have two of them, so if you want to get it, snatch two. If you want to do the cream contour and then a powder, I don't recommend using the same one, but one for cream like I did earlier, and then one for the powder. And don't forget to snatch your nose with some loose powder just to give it the finished look. Look at that nose, bitch. All right, so next I'm gonna take the most waterproof pencil that literally does not budge. Painted by Spencer is a huge fan of this, which I am a huge fan of him. This is my One Size Beauty Point Made Gel Eyeliner. If you want something that will last on your waterline, this is not going to move. Don't buy it right away. If you guys want to go to Sephora, check it out, have someone swatch it for you. This is literally bulletproof. So I'm gonna take this and line a little bit on my waterline, not smoke it out too much because that's not the look. And let's just go in. And yes, I know my lashes look a little bit dusty. So what we're gonna do is just dust this off and then apply a little bit of mascara and smoke out the lower lash line. We'll be good to go. Guys, this tool right here is it looks like a nail cutter, but it's literally what I love for like pressing my real lashes to my fake ones. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It literally opens up your eyes. It's very tricky to use, but I've gotten the hang of this. It makes the whites of my eyes so much more clean, especially when I do my photo shoots or my campaigns. My eyes just look clean, and the photographer or whoever doesn't have to retouch my eyelashes going down. This is great for makeup artists or anyone that wants to like have a more clean lash look if you're doing like eye close-ups. I normally used to just pinch my lashes with my nails, but this just makes it so much more precise and so easy to curl precisely. All right, so for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette and take the color Spacey right here and a little bit of Stargaze, these two, and just blush my cheeks. All right, now for the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Shayla ColourPop Collab BFF4, and I'm gonna go ahead and overline my lips. And I'm gonna take BFF3 and fade it in. And I'm going to add a little bit of truffle on the center of the lip, the Dose of Colors liquid lip, and a little bit of the gloss. Add a little bit of that pink, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, this is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna have my fabulous hairstylist Angel snatch me some chain linked hair on my bald ass head, and I'll be right back for the finished look.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These hips are scared of me. Don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me. Your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me. My haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking boss. So it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird. Like Russian, Dutch, and German. Flow that make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous.
Bitch, look at me. I am so gag and goop. I am serving you. Guys, if you can't recognize, it's me, PatrickStarrr in here. I am the Cardi B with my wet ass. I am serving wet, moist realness with this look. Happy Halloween, you guys. I can't believe it is already October. This look is slayed. I am painted to the gods, painted to the nines. Shout out to Angel for doing my hair and Fifi for doing my outfit. I don't think I've ever seen my waist this snatched ever before. And the breasts and the titties, it is the whole freaking fantasy. I had to bring it to you guys for October. If you guys want to see more looks like this, comment down below. What do you want to see next? What fantasy do you guys want to see next? Please subscribe, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, all things PatrickStarrr. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for me as I am. And don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.